Good evening everyone, welcome back. Before telling you about the electric motor, I would like to tell you one formula of class 12. Formula is F is equal to BIL sine theta. Here F is magnetic force and its unit is in Newton. You know the unit of force is Newton. I is the current. Capital B is magnetic field in Tesla. And L is the length of conductor. Length of conductor is in meters. Okay. We will use this formula F is equal to BIL sine theta. There is one point in Lakshmi Singh which I would like to read. It's on page number 86 in Lakshmi Singh. It says the direction of force acting on a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field is perpendicular to the direction of current and it is perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. In simple terms, magnetic force is maximum when it is perpendicular, when your wire or a straight conductor is perpendicular. Why perpendicular? Why 90 degree? Because if theta is 90 degree, this is a very important question, and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. The value of sine theta is maximum when it is 1. It moves from -1 to +1. But that you will study in class 11 when the value is -1. Till now in trigonometry you are studying the maximum value of sine theta is 1. But it moves from -1 to +1. Minimum value is -1, maximum is +1. Because the maximum force will be exerted when the value of theta would be 90. Again, I am telling you in class 10 you have to memorize only this much, that magnetic force is directly proportional to magnetic field, it is directly proportional to current, and it is directly proportional to length, and theta should be 90 degree. Then only magnetic force would be maximum. First of all, we will study electric motor, which is based on the same principle as that of kicking wire experiment. And as you know, in case of kicking wire experiment, if a straight current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, then a mechanical force is exerted, and due to which mechanical force is produced and its conductor rotates continuously. Only difference is we will use in place of straight conductor we will use rectangular coil here. Where you can see rectangular coil names, you have names are ABCD. Name of rectangular coil. ABCD, the left arm is AB, the right arm is CD, right? Is it? You can see tally it with the figure which is given in Lakshmi Singh on page number 90, 9090. This is a rectangular coil. This is a commutator. The other, this one, C shape. The commutator is X and Y. Here you can see this is X, this is Y. This is commutator. P and Q are carbon brushes. Here we have a battery for giving continuous supply of electric current, and this is a U-shaped magnet. Here the poles are separate, but in reality it is a U-shaped magnet. First of all, you should know what all apparatus we are using in case of electric motor, right? Now the function of each and every principle is same. Only thing, you will, in place of straight conductor, you will use the word rectangular coil. So the principle says when a current carrying rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field, then it experiences a mechanical force due to which it rotates continuously. And the basic function of electric motor is it converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. We are giving supply of electricity ourselves, okay, and that motor is converting that electrical energy to mechanical energy. Further, motor have various uses for lifting up water from the underground, from bottom to top, right? It can pull out water, right? And there are various uses of where motor is used in refrigerator, in your fans. Okay, there are various uses. So first of all, I would like to tell you the construction of this with the use, and later on we will discuss the working of electric motor. But I have told you the principle, the basic function, now the construction. First is the U-shaped magnet. As you know, different north and south pole are shown here. The function of U-shaped magnet is to create magnetism, strong magnetism around the rectangular coil. ABCD is the rectangular coil here. It will rotate continuously. When electrical energy will be given to it, it will convert electrical energy into, mechanical energy, due to which the rectangular coil will rotate continuously. X and Y are commutator. Their function is to reverse the direction of electric current. And commutator, other name is split ring, SPLIT, split rings. Next we have carbon brushes. These carbon brushes are attached with the commutator. It stops the twisting of wire, and the function of battery to give continuous supply of electric current. Okay? So this is all about the principle, function and construction of electric.